Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to repair the damaged end of a garden hose. All you need is a garden hose repair connector, which only costs a few bucks and are way cheaper than the cost of a new hose. This one comes in two pieces, a brass fitting that goes inside the hose and an aluminum clamp that goes on the outside. Make sure you get the right adapter, either male or female, to match the end that is missing on your hose. If you don't have the original hose end anymore to compare, a good test to be sure you have the right new adapter is to make sure you can screw it into the other end of the hose. This one happens to be a male adapter, which fits right into the female adapter at the other end of the hose. To prepare the damaged end of the hose, use a utility knife to cut it off in a nice clean cut. Then remove the brass piece from your adapter and use a screwdriver to loosen the screws on the clamp. Slide the clamp down over the cut end of the hose and leave it out of the way for now. Then take the brass piece and push it down onto the hose. You'll need to push really hard because it will be a tight fit, which is what you want in order to avoid leaks. Then slide the clamp back up over the end of the hose, loosening it a little bit more if needed to get it to slide up. Then tighten the screws on the clamp, moving back and forth from left to right so that it tightens evenly until it's nice and tight and secure. By the way, this process works exactly the same for either a male or a female adapter. And that's it, you've got a repaired hose. Now let's test it really quick by attaching a hand sprayer. When I turn the water on, it works great with no leaks. Remember this little trick the next time you have an expensive garden hose that you don't want to replace just because it has a damaged end. This $3 to $5 you'll spend on an adapter is way less than the cost of a new hose.